Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add product reviews on Shopify. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is just click on settings at your home screen, and after that, find apps and sales channels. Once you click on that, click on Shopify App Store. Once you end up in your Shopify App Store, just start searching about judge.me as you can see over here. Once you click on judge.me, you will end up over here. The first one you will see that judge.me product reviews. Click on that and install it. It's free application, so don't worry about that. Once you install that and go through the methods of everything, go back to your home screen and what happens that go back to home screen, click on online store and click on customization. So what we are going to do, we are going to add the product review option. So what is going on? Let me show you. Once you add that option over here, so as you can see, this is the customization main menu, and this is the product where I want to add that product review option at the bottom, as you can see. So if I close these icon, you can see we will have no option over here right now. But if I add that just by clicking add block and search for review widget, so if I click on this, you can see we will have all the options over here. So once you add that over here, wait for that. Let's just say I added this, and this is the page product review which I wanted to add for my product. I can do that, and this is the star ratings for my product individually. So this is the way how you can add, one of the way you can add product reviews, and obviously it has been saved. And after that, if I go to that page, you will see that we will have that option over here. So if I give a review over here, so first of all, obviously, I'm gonna say like good product, and I'm gonna give same information over here. Public name, if you want to do that, I'm gonna say no. You can add that email, random email. I'm going to add that, and obviously this email is going to be private. Once I click on submit review, you will see that we will have over here. But we can go into our judge.me options over here also, where you will see everything over here, and you can play around also, like if you want to publish this or not. You can see on the right side, you can even hide it if you want. So there's a lot of option it provides you. This application is one of the best out there for product reviews. But what if you want to post reviews from Facebook and Instagram? Some people might have given you reviews there also, right? So this is also very easy. Go to customization page again, and I'm going to hide this just to show you. And what you can do, click on add section, search for multi column, and once you do that, click on this or this section. On the left side, you can see we can just write it down, product reviews, and we can select this box and start writing in it. So you get the idea how you can easily paste that over here. This is a manual method, but you get the idea. If I go ahead and save this and go back to that page also, refresh this, you can see you can also add them over here, or you can add them both over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add product reviews on Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.